Hi, I'm Matthew Courtney. Welcome to Spreadsheet Fundamentals. In this video, I'll be showing you how to use the quartile function. Before we look at the spreadsheet, let's take a moment to consider the syntax. There are a few functions that you can use when identifying quartiles, but I like the quartile.inc function. To deploy this function, simply type =quartile.inc, then select the column of data for which you want to know the quartiles, followed by the quartile you wish to identify, a whole number between 1 and 4. Let's take a look at how this function works in a spreadsheet. Column A lists a series of test scores. To the right, I've made a little table numbered 1 through 4 to represent each quartile. In cell D2, I will type =quartile.inc, open parentheses. Then I'll select column A, type a comma, and input 1. Close parentheses, enter. The first quartile is 60.75. If I'm looking to find multiple quartiles, I can use the first column of my little table to speed things up by typing =quartile.inc, open parentheses, select column A, comma, and select cell C3. Close parentheses, enter. I can then click the drag bar and drag this formula down to complete the table. In this video, I have shown you how to use the quartile function. For more information about how to use spreadsheet functions to interpret student data, please visit www.matthewbcourtney.com/repository.